breathtaking view of Hakone. Hakone is one of the most popular resorts in Japan. It was designated as a national park in 1938 and attracts almost 20 million tourists every year. Its scenic beauty much owes to the volcanic activities. You will enjoy seeing amazing sulfur fumes coming out from rock crevices. And you will also enjoy crossing the beautiful Lake Asi by pilot ship. If you are blessed with beautiful weather, you would be able to see the great Mount Fuji in many spots. There are also many unique art museums there. At the open-air museum, a lot of sculptures are displayed outside. I'll customize your itinerary upon your request. Come and enjoy Hakone. Hakone is waiting for you.